What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, and surprisingly the crypto has been pumping, hitting green candles 3 days in a row guys, and it has pumped up another 25% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at, is this the comeback for Bonk? Is it going to start pumping from now on? Is it time to buy it? Is it time to get into it? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term holders, and also for the 2024, what can we expect? Can it potentially hit a new all-time high over the coming months? And essentially looking at, is it a crypto worth buying it, or should you avoid it still? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video, and it is getting very interesting right now, but we'll save this for later on. For now, let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that it has finally pumped up above the SMA indicator here in purple. And as you guys can see, for the past about 2 weeks guys, it was performing lower than the SMA indicator, and it has finally broken out from there. So right now it is performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, due to the fact that it has pumped up quite a lot in the last 24 hours, not even 24, but over the last 48 hours. As you guys can see here, the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is not realistic, but I am expecting an overall minimal gain in value from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, Bonk should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But in between that time, do expect red candles. I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip in between. As you guys can see what's happened over the last 24 hours, it did take a little bit of a dip and then pumped back up in value, and that is exactly what I'm expecting to happen over the next 12 to 14 hours. Red days followed by green, red candles followed by green candles, making an overall minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive guys, meaning again an overall increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week. But the lines are looking quite steep, meaning it is not realistic, and I am expecting an overall drop in value from Bonk guys over the next week or so. It may come across as a shock to some of you guys, because it's been pumping 3 days in a row. This, you're back in that spirit of that it's going to come back up in value, it's going to pump up and so on. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Yes, it is likely to hit green days over the next couple of days, pumping in value, following what the crypto market is doing right now, with Bitcoin nearly heading towards $48,000, Ethereum pumping 13%, which is very good for the crypto market. But for Bonk to be specific, I'm expecting it to hit more red candles towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So it should have gone for an overall minimal drop in value from where it is at the moment over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is slanting towards the positive direction, and we do have the orange line going slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Bonk? According to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, that is very unrealistic. over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late February, early March, I am expecting Bonk to have gone through an overall drop in value is what my expectations are at the moment. Again, reason for that is the way it's been performing back in October, November and December, gaining over about 15,000% in a space of about 2 months makes it not sustainable in my opinion. And yes, I'm expecting it to drop down further over the coming weeks, guys, and months as well. Even though yes, it is pumping, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So potentially over the next couple of weeks towards the end of January, February and March, I'm expecting more red candles, which should lead to Bonk trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. However, if my predictions do change according to how the crypto market performs, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going on to the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that the crypto has broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone, and it is likely to head into the blue zone as well over the coming hours and over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down into the red zone by the end of January is what I'm expecting. But I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto, just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict as well, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see a lot more people are getting back into Bonk. 35% increase in trading over the last 24 hours, making it $670 million in trading, guys. A couple of days ago, the trading volume was sitting around 124 million, 110 million even, and right now it is going up like crazy. Well, it did even drop below 100 million on the 7th of January, which was 3 days ago, and yeah, it has gone for a major increase, and a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. So comment down below, are you guys trading it, are you guys buying it, or are you guys selling it? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is